হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, সবাইকে আমার আশরাফিকান্স কিচেনে স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। আজ কোনো রান্না হবে না, তবে চলুন দেখে নিই কি হবে আজ। এই তো এটাই আজকে আনবক্সিং করা হবে, তো চলুন দেখে নিই কি আছে এর ভেতর।
Hi, this is my new espresso maker. Today I received it. Let's see how it looks like. Let's open it. This is the espresso maker model Amore, made in Italy from the company GAT. It's made of stainless steel. Finally. So it's for 6 cups and it really looks nice and solid. Let's see the inside. So every part is made of steel. It comes with some kind of small parts. So I think this is for the lower quantities. So it looks like inside. Why I bought this espresso maker? Because I love coffee and I like the old traditional Italian coffee making style. In my next video I will show you how to make coffee with this espresso maker. See you.
খোদা হাফেজ।